So our next champion here is Archana. I know Archana को मैंने देखा था, तो she's here.
Yeah.
Archana, let me bring you on.
I'm Archana. I'm from Bangalore.
Yes.
I'm the youngest, I think. Whenever I see Neha, I always feel how she will be happy. Like that, I used to see. When I get in touch with Neha, it was Deepavali, I think.
Hmm.
Remember? Even
Yes,
though,
Archana is again very old student here. Okay.
and she picked the call on the festival day also. And that time, whatever Ajanta ji said, right? I went through the same situation actually.
Okay.
Only it is psychological. I used to feel some or the other problem in my body, okay? It is all psychological. It was nothing. And I also got BP, okay, at the young age. But I used to get stressed with everything. And the same situation, health issue, some of my closest person got expired with cancer.
Yeah, actually, whatever Ajanta ji said, right? It is similar case for me actually. When she was telling, I was going through all my phases, maybe like that. Only I got BP, and I used to think always bad thing. If something happened to me, I also feel that I'll get cancer, like that. I was
Okay.
in that state. Okay, if something happened in my body, I used to think a lot. Okay, like that situation, I went full psychological thing.
Okay.
And I immediately joined, I think, right? After
Yes.
Deepavali, I think.
Yes.
That time, whenever I used to talk to you, right, I used to feel very nice actually, initially, first time. And then I started continuing. And now, BP, earlier I have a BP, right? I used to check with the device 1 hour, 2 hour.
Oh my God. Okay.
And I used to do workout and all. I said you right. I do yoga 1 hour. Before also I used to
Yes.
do walk 1 hour. Nothing helped. Okay, because it is all mental thing. Body wise, I was fit and doing all physical activities very well. But my mentally, I was very weak actually. And I used to tell Neha, I can't join yoga, but I am doing it.
Yes, you told me, yes.
Yeah. And
How this has helped you, Archana? Like,
now I don't check my BP only, it is less only actually, 140 by 90. But I used to see every time, as you say, uh, when you concentrate on that, it increases, right?
it increases, yes.
It was whenever you tell that thing, no, I used to go there.
Yeah.
But now you will believe me or not, I have not checked it when I started your class. I don't know how much it is also.
Oh,
Uh,
great.
but I have not checked it,
So
I'm
the
fully fine.
fear has reduced or
Gone.
gone.
Yeah. Yeah. And earlier, whenever nowadays cancer cases are more, right? Whenever I listen from someone or someone, I never used to get sleep only, night and all. Whenever I listen those news, I never go to sleep only until morning. But now, no, I will listen and I can go for sleep. Definitely.
Great achievement.
Yeah.
Again, because we go into fear so much that we actually create that for ourselves.
And in movies also, if any cancer like that and all comes, right, I used to switch off.
Switch off.
Because
Okay.
I am scared to
You're
listen to
scared,
those.
yeah.
Yeah. And really, emotionally and mentally, I have come out. That is my achievement. And yeah, you are breathing. I have joined many classes, to come out. I tell to my husband actually, whatever Neha done is very helpful. I have seen many classes, but they only preach, okay? No action was taken. But in your class, that meditation and DMH, as she said, in my case, all psychological improvement.
Yes.
And even relationship also. I am an angry person. I am shark.
You are a shark, okay.
Yeah. I used to get angry always. And by looking into many of the people like Ravi ji, especially, used to always smile and talk. And I used to tell my husband, see how, even though they are aged, how they follow like that and all. Always they are inspiration actually. And Arunji
Absolutely.
also. One time I said you, I think I am getting
Yes.
knee pain if I walk. Then Arunji said that I am aged, I am walking 6 kilometers.
Yes, he told in one of the sessions. Yes.
Yeah. Then I was feeling why I can't do that even though their age they are doing. Yeah, some people I got inspired also. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
So
Thank
we feel that individually हम YouTube देखकर कर लेंगे, Google देखकर कर लेंगे, but when we join a group of people, that energy itself is different.
Yeah, I have learned. And Javed ji also, he was always a calm person, never used to talk, but he used to follow everything.
Everything, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I used to see, and Didar ji also. Many
yes.
people, I can say, many, even though they are old, but they follow it very strictly. And
Age is just a number now. It's just.
yeah, see, I have learned from them. I have not spoke with
Mm,
them, but many whatever they gave suggestions, I took it
yes,
actually. Yeah,
right.
and you are the one of the inspiration. Yeah, I need to follow you again.
Yes.
Like yeah.
Thank you, Archana. Thank you
And
so much.
one more thing, I can assess that, right? Whatever the website you have created, I can still assess all the missions, right?
Yeah, yes, yes,
You
Archana.
know,
It is.
whenever I go down, I will repeat your missions again and again.
Oh,
While
wow, great.
walking, when I'm feeling that I'm going low, I will put your missions like
And you
emotional.
will that recorded session and you listen it again.
Yeah, while walking, I
Okay,
listen and I feel more stronger there. I
great,
think
great.
you should make it available even though course finishes also. So the people. Yeah,
Definitely, definitely, Archana. Thank you so much for sharing. Your
yeah,
score is incredible. That
yeah.
you have got it from. I have a note here, right, from 200,
20, yeah,
127 to 235.
235. Yeah.
That is amazing. Which is the area that is improved more is emotional side, I guess. The mind
Yeah.
one or the
Yeah,
soul
yeah. Mind and
mind
soul
one.
both. Yeah, mind actually. I said no. Whenever someone tells about their illness, I can't sit in that place. I got scared. I
Okay.
used to move from that
Google the
place.
symptoms and see that
Yeah,
okay, I'm getting that symptom or
yeah. I think I said you also one time.
yes.
Neha ji, I'm getting ear pain, ear pain
Yes.
and all. You said no, no. You do this course, it will be gone.
Yes. Yes.
And my thinking has changed now.
Okay.
That I'm very grateful for you.
So even now, if you hear any illness, it does not affect you.
I was getting bum pain. I don't know why. And I went to many doctors. I don't know why. And I Googled, as you said.
Uh,
Nothing helped. After doing your course, it is not there for me.
it's gone, just gone.
Yeah. I'm really thankful for that, actually. I still want to continue.
Congratulations.
Maybe in
Congratulations.
diet and all, maybe I've done their side, this side and all. I agree, frankly. But your what is that meditation? Now
Hmm.
also I do. Last week you didn't take it, but I'm
Yes.
following your Rechaka and Sheetali and that
Meditation.
meditation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Great. Great. Congratulations, Archana. I want every one of you to unmute and say congratulations to her.
Thanks, Neha. Thank
Congratulations, Archana.
Congratulations,
Archana
Neha
madam.
madam.
you.
Congratulations,
Yeah,
Archana.
Stay blessed.
yeah.
Thank you, Archana. Again, you.
Congratulations.
And Neha, and I want you to give that website for the people who have done, so that we will continue at least repeated sessions whenever we
Yes,
go to.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
So no worries. I will share that also with you. Okay.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. So yes.